Police say they know a missing Largo attorney was murdered. They say they even know who did it. But more than a week after Stephen Causey was last seen at work, they still don't know where his body is. New court documents released today reveal the investigation stretches all the way to Miami. Fox 13's Kaylee Tracy is in Dunedin, where a moment of silence was just held to honor Causey. Kaylee.
That moment of silence just wrapped up here, actually in front of the St. Pete courthouse in downtown St. Pete. Family members, colleagues, and friends of Stephen Causey, you can see still here behind me. That is new court documents, as you said, reveal some disturbing details in the days, weeks, and months leading up to Causey's disappearance.
You walk into a room with Steve, there's a big smile. He's very genuine.
Stephen Causey's friends and colleagues say they're struggling to wrap their heads around what has happened in the past week.
Here today and then gone, and you grapple with that. And how did we get here?
This as new court documents share more insight into the days, weeks, and months leading up to the Largo lawyer's disappearance. Documents released Wednesday say Causey's boss told detectives that in January, Dr. Tomasz Kozowski confronted Causey in the bathroom of the law firm Causey worked at. Kozowski was there for a deposition related to a lawsuit he filed against his old employer. Causey's firm is representing some of the defendants. Causey's boss says that deposition was, quote, verbally contentious. The new documents also reveal a week before Causey's disappearance, an employee at a vet clinic that has an office in the same building as the firm saw an unknown man hiding behind the door of a utility closet. He was wearing a surgical mask and told her he was there because of a power outage and then left in a Toyota Tundra with New Jersey plates. A Toyota Tundra with New Jersey plates was seen leaving the firm the morning Causey disappeared, with what appeared to resemble a human body in the bed of the truck, court documents say. Investigators found large amounts of blood in the firm's bathroom, Kozowski's home, and in the truck that was found in his garage. Investigators say Kozowski left town later that day but came back Saturday. Police pulled him over in a Toyota Corolla, and the search warrant says officers found surgical masks, several guns, close to $300,000 in cash, and other items, including sedatives and syringes. Investigators say a license plate reader picked up Kozowski's red Toyota Corolla in the area of the Tamiami Trail the day Causey went missing, and they say he was in South Florida between March 21st and March 26th. The Miami-Dade Police Department is helping the Largo Police Department with the case, and the agencies ask the public to contact police if you saw either Kozowski or that Toyota Corolla during that time frame. And Kozowski's attorney says his client is presumed innocent. The Pinellas County Sheriff's Office also filed a risk protection order in this case. They say documents say detectives say that they believe that Kozowski had 100 handguns, 100 rifles, 1,000 rifle rounds, and 1,000 handgun rounds in his home. His attorney said he would not comment on the number of firearms, but did say they did comply with that order, and all of the guns in his home have been turned over and they are in a safe place for now. He would not say where they are, but did say that they did comply with that order. His lawyer telling me that today. Again, family, friends, and colleagues of Stephen Causey still gathered here behind me. They remember him again as a man with a big smile who was kind to everyone, and they call him brilliant.